Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove view only on your documents on Google Sheet application on your mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do, you need to open the Google Sheet application, and after that you just need to find the documents that you already given access for view only. And after you find the documents, you just need to go click these three small dots on the document you already chosen, and after that, whenever you click it, you just need to go into the manage access. In this manage access, you just need to go into the general access here, just click the anyone with the link, and you can see these documents I already give viewer access, so someone who received this link who will be able to view these documents. But then I would like to remove this access, the view access, so we just need to go click anyone with the link here and change from anyone with the link with restricted, and there will be no options for the permission over these documents. So that's the way how to remove the view only on your Google Sheets documents. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe, and see you for the next video tutorial.